Hi, I'm Olive from Olive to Craft, and today we are making foil disco balls to celebrate New Year's Eve. You need a ball. Next, you need heavy-duty foil. Heavy-duty. Next, you need some glue dots, or you could get tape instead. Last, you need some kid-safe scissors. Now that we've gathered all our supplies, we can get our heavy-duty foil and cut them into 2-inch strips. They don't have to be perfect. I'm making marks so I know where to cut to make them all about the same size. Depending on the size of your ball, you're going to need about 10 to 20 strips of heavy-duty foil. Take each strip of foil and we're going to cut French into our strips. Each strip is going to be about 1 centimeter wide and we're going to leave 1 centimeter at the top. Don't cut all the way though. It's going to look like this when you're done. Now I'm going to start cutting. Remember to leave space at the top so we can use that part to glue it down on the ball. This is my first strip. I'm going gonna move this to the side and like the finished pile. Now that we've finished cutting fringe into our strips, we're gonna use the glue dots to glue this fringe strips to our ball. Now we're gonna put our glue dots on the dull side. This is the dull side and this is the shiny side. We're gonna put the glue dots on this side. This part is kind of tricky if you're using glue dots, especially if you're using the glue dots that stick a lot more, that are more stronger than the other glue. Now I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna put it like near the bottom of the ball. It kind of looks like it has a skirt. Now I'm just gonna push it down a little bit on the ball. Like this. For the next strip on top of it, you're gonna overlap it a little bit, like this. Now I'm gonna push it down. And push the strips down a little bit too. It should look like this. I'm gonna keep adding strips until I get to the top of the ball. Like this. I've already done 3 of them on this side. As you get higher, as you go around the ball, it's gonna stick out like this, and you just need to push it down like this. See? As you get closer to the top, you can cut shorter strips like these. Now I finished my awesome disco ball! And now it's time to party! So get your craft on and get your happy on and have a crafty